Welcome back to the final room tour video of the series. This time we're in Bangkok for the final leg and we're staying in the Eastin Grand Hotel Sathorn. So let's take a look at this Executive Deluxe Room on the 26th floor. The room comes with an extra large double bed, definitely enough space for two to sleep comfortably. There's a flat screen TV with the usual international cable channels, but doesn't have smart TV functionality such as Netflix and YouTube. The closet is fairly modest in size, better suited for short stays. There's a pair of thin bathrobes, limited hanging space, and minimal shelf space. There is a safety deposit box as expected, hairdryer, flip-flops for the hotel pool, and indoor slippers. The weird feature is the back of the wardrobe opens straight into the bathroom. The room comes with complimentary tea and coffee, with a free carton of UHT milk in the fridge. Very thoughtful. The thing I always find a bit weird is the lone pack of condoms in the minibar. Inside the fridge is a paid minibar with prices linked on the QR codes on the door. There's soft drinks, beer, chocolates as you might expect. The Executive Deluxe Room comes with a comfy sofa and coffee table, with a basic plate of fruit that's replenished by housekeeping each morning. A dedicated desk is provided for work or study, with a notepad and a set of pencils. The wall socket connects via HDMI to the TV, which allows for a quick setup with your laptop or tablet. The room is fully air conditioned with separate temperature controls. There's plenty of complimentary water that's restocked twice a day. And the best thing about this hotel is the views of the Bangkok skyline. The traffic can get quite busy down on the main street, but it's relaxing to watch from your room on the 26th floor. The SkyTrain runs directly below, with trains frequently passing through Surasak station, which connects to the hotel on the 3rd floor. The next great feature of the Executive Deluxe Room is the bathroom, with a standalone bath overlooking the city. What better way to soak in the bath whilst watching the city life unfurl beneath you? The bath comes with a collection of complimentary toiletries, including bath salts. There are 2 separate mirrors in the bathroom, each framed with soft lighting. If you're worried about the world watching you as you pee, the windows are tinted, and also there's a blind to shut out those prying eyes. The shower itself is behind frosted glass. It comprises a standard shower head and a rainfall shower. Whilst the bath really sets this hotel room apart, it's worth noting it's not actually included in the cheaper room types, so look carefully if you're booking a room here to see what's included. What I like is the huge floor-length mirrors in the hallway, which are attached to the sliding doors. I think what this bed needs is a quick mattress test. Let's check it out. It's alright, it's quite soft. Overall, the Eastin Grand Hotel Sathorn provides some comfortable and reasonably priced rooms, but the best thing is the hospitality. Check out the rest of my Bangkok videos for more on this, including our time in the Executive Lounge.